Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, but its most important role may be invisible. Jupiter's massive gravity acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. It pulls in asteroids and comets that might otherwise travel toward the inner solar system, including Earth. This was dramatically proven in 1994 when the comet Shoemaker Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter. The collision was so powerful that dark scars larger than Earth appeared on the planet's clouds. Astronomers watched the impact in real time. It confirmed that Jupiter can intercept dangerous objects. But here's where things get complicated. Some scientists believe Jupiter protects Earth by capturing or deflecting incoming debris. Others argue Jupiter can sometimes do the opposite, redirecting asteroids onto new paths that bring them closer to Earth. Computer simulations show both effects can happen. Jupiter doesn't choose sides. It follows gravity. And gravity doesn't care who gets hit. So, is Jupiter Earth's guardian? Or an unpredictable space hazard? The answer is still debated. What we do know is this. Without Jupiter, our solar system would look very different, and Earth's history might have been far more violent. Sometimes, the biggest protector in space is also its biggest question mark.